Aldi have just dropped the best value solar lanterns I've seen all summer, and they went straight in my trolley. But that wasn't the only bargain. There were stunning zinc style planters, a solar fountain, garden lighting, and plenty more. So I've been round Aldi to pick out the special buys I genuinely think are worth your money this week. Straight away, I headed over to find these. These are the solar Penzance candle lanterns. I had my eye on these ever since I saw them in the leaflet, and at $8.99, I think they are an absolute bargain. I was actually surprised by the size. For some reason, I thought they'd be much smaller, but they're really good. They're solar powered, automatically light up at night, and they come in black, cream, or bronze. I picked up 2 of the cream ones. I love the slightly distressed finish, and whether you're wanting one for the garden, a summer party, a wedding, or like me inside the house, I think these look far more expensive than $8.99, but if you want one, you might want to get down to your local Aldi ASAP. Next, I spotted these new wireless wall lamps. At just $6.99, I thought they were really good value. They can be used indoors or out, they're rechargeable, they come with a USB-C charging cable, and they're really easy to install thanks to the magnetic mounting system. There were loads of different styles to choose from, including round, square and bar designs, with wood effect and white finishes. So if you're looking for some simple, affordable wall lighting, I think these are definitely worth a look. Also had these sensor cabinet lights for $6.99. They came in a long all-round design, including everything you need to fit them, and because they're rechargeable, there's no need for any wiring, and I think they'd be perfect inside kitchen cupboards or wardrobes. There were plenty of solar lighting options this week, including these solar swing stake lights. They come as a set of 2, they're height adjustable, and it says they gently sway in the breeze. You could choose between a warm white or multicoloured. I also spotted these brand new solar table lamps. Aldi have sold similar versions before, but they were battery powered. I much prefer these solar ones. They're just $4.99. They look really smart and they're perfect for moving around the garden whenever you want a bit of extra light. I've got a couple of these myself, and they are really good. They also had 100 LED solar string lights for just $3.99, available in warm white or multicoloured. So if you're giving your garden a summer refresh, there are lots of really good value lighting options this week. They also had a solar-powered LED fountain for $12.99. It creates a lovely water feature during the day, then lights up after dark, powered by a separate solar panel. It comes in anthracite, beige or grey, and I have to say I was very tempted to buy one, but it didn't. But if you're looking for an easy way to add a water feature to your garden, I think this is a brilliant buy for the price. The luxury Nina pads are also back for $6.99. I picked one up last time and it's been absolutely brilliant. If you love finding the best high street bargains, hit that subscribe button. I upload multiple videos every week, so you're always first to see what's new. For $3.99, I think this has to be the biggest dustpan and brush set I've ever seen. I bought one immediately. I thought it would be fantastic for the garden or just using around the house. There were a few different styles to choose from, a metal set and then a more traditional design. But for $3.99, I thought they were really good value. Now, if your garden needs a bit of TLC, they also had a 3-piece garden tool set for $12.99. You get loppers, a hedge trimmer and pruning shears, and they felt really well made for the price. There was also a good selection of pruners, including a 6-in-1 tool and a ratchet pruner set for $3.99. I bought the pruner set because our garden is starting to get a little bit out of control, and I thought these look really good for the price. I love the pattern, so this is a job for the weekend for me. I also spotted these really smart planters. They had that galvanised zinc look, but without the hefty price tag. The smaller ones were $6.99 and they had a much larger version for $14.99. They were 55 centimetres tall and I thought they were really good value. They came in two colours, but I definitely preferred the grey. If you're using them outside, you'll just need to drill some drainage holes in the bottom. They also had these square planters. Aldi sold a similar round version a few weeks ago that I actually bought. This time they've gone for a square design. These are $9.99, but you just remember to do drainage holes in the bottom. I really like the white and the black too, but I wasn't completely convinced on the green finish close up. It looked a little bit badly sprayed, but it looked alright from a distance. But the black and the cream were great, and these were $9.99. They had some mini Bluetooth speakers for $9.99. They're water resistant, USB-C rechargeable, and come in a choice of colours. I think they'd be perfect for the garden, a barbecue, or a day at the beach. Clothing wise, there were these men's swim shorts available in 3 different sizes from medium to extra large. I also spotted these adult clogs for $4.99. They were really lightweight. They come in black or grey and they're available in sizes 4 to 12. The leaflet also showed some ladies' beach hats for just $3.99, along with some chunky flip flops for $4.49, available in black and lime. Unfortunately, neither of them have made it into my store yet. If you're planning a picnic this summer, Aldi had some really good bits. They had this picnic blanket at just $4.99. It came in a choice of designs and it measured 135 centimetres by 150 centimetres. At first, I thought they'd sold out of the matching pull-along picnic cooler, but it turned out they just moved them to a completely different part of the store. They hold 40 litres, come in 3 colours, and at just $14.99, I thought that was great value. They felt really sturdy and you could really load them up with stuff and then just wheel them along. They'd be perfect for picnics, days out at the beach. There was only 3 left in my store though, so I don't think they're going to hang around for long. Aldi had a really lovely selection of decorative cushions this week. There were designs with tassels, there was velvet piping and fringed edges. They came in a couple of different sizes with some really nice patterns for summer, and at $6.99 I thought they were really nice. They also had outdoor rugs back in stock. You could choose from 3 colours and they came in 2 sizes, 90 by 150 for $5.99, or the large one was 120 by 180 for just $7.99. It's a really easy way to add a bit of colour and character to your garden. There were a few outdoor games this week, including these 3D kites for just $5.99. You could choose from 5 different designs, including a butterfly, a Pegasus, a seagull, a shark and a turtle. They look like great fun for the summer holidays. There was also a really good selection of garden and beach games, including tennis, a volleyball, splash discs, water balloons and a game of bocce. Now, I'm just going to call it French bowls because that's what we always called it when I was growing up, and I couldn't resist picking up a set, and this is as far as I got. As soon as the weather cools down a little bit, we'll have a proper game, but my grass is not looking the best. They also had these children's beach shelters for just $9.99. You could choose from a classic design, a whale, or even one with its own built-in splash pool. They pop up in seconds, come with a carry case, and I think they'd be perfect for days at the beach or at the park. Here's a little sneak peek of what's arriving in stores on Sunday the 12th of July. There were these children's keyboards and boomboxes for just $7.99. And they've also just launched these wooden tabletop play sets for $12.99. You could choose from Peppa Pig's Cafe, Bluey's Sandwich Shop or a frozen ice cream parlour. On the way out, I also spotted these summer perennials for just $2.99. They'll flower for months and are perfect for pots and borders. But that's everything I spotted in Aldi this week. Let me know in the comments which products were your favourite, and is there anything you'll be heading to Aldi to pick up? I'm absolutely delighted with my new lanterns, and I can't wait to get stuck into the garden with my new pruning set. If you love finding the best value buys on the high street, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every single week, so you'll be the first to see all the latest bargains. But I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Quick one before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.